Have you been tested for the coronavirus?
No, I have not been tested for the coronavirus. I've had, thank God, no symptoms.
Ramping up for the next round of primaries, including in the state of New York.
I have not talked to any individual. Excuse me.
You know, you're supposed to cough into your elbow. I don't know, sir. I learned that actually covering your White House.
Actually, that's true. But fortunately, I'm alone in my home. But that's okay.
All right.
I agree. You're right.
You should it's kind of old school to do it with your hand. Do it into your elbow. You're supposed to do it.
Thank you.
Let me.